Hello and welcome back to another session of Scrum. Today we are going to look at Scrum team. The Scrum team consists of a product owner, a development team, and a Scrum master. Scrum team are self-organizing and cross-functional. In other words, general, specialized. Self-organization, self-organizing team chooses how best to accomplish their work rather than being directed by others outside the team. That cross-functional team have all the competencies needed to accomplish the work without depending on others are not part of the team. And the team model is uh, designed to optimize flexibility, creativity, and productivity. Scrum team, like we all know, delivers product iteratively and incrementally with maximizing the opportunity for feedback. So let's look at the roles of the Scrum team. To start with, first, let's look at the product owner. Product owner is responsible for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the development team. How this is done may vary widely across different Scrum teams and individuals. The product owner is sole responsible for managing the product backlog. Product backlog management includes clearly expressing product backlog items, ordering the items in the product backlog to best achieve goals and mission, optimizing the value of the work the development team performs, ensuring that product backlog is visible, transparent, and clear to all. Right? So also ensuring that the development team understands the item in the product backlog to the level needed. While the product owner may do these works of maintaining a backlog, working with the development team to make sure the team understands right what is needed. However, product owner may choose or opt to have the development team do this work, right? But PO remains accountable for it. Also to be noted that product owner is not a committee; it's a singular person, right, who is responsible for it. However, they may present uh, or represent the desires of a committee in the product backlog. But those wanting to change um, a product backlog items priority must address the product owner. Meaning here is that there is a group of there is a committee, right, who decides on all what an all feature is going to be is required. But the priority of the feature, right, it is owned largely relies on the product owner uh, how the product owner sees those priority in terms of the business values and that it creates in terms of the requirement um, at certain time, right, which creates the most valuable uh, product. Let's look at development team. So development team consists of highly self-motivated individuals, right, uh, who do the work of delivering a potential realizable increment of a completed or a done product at the end of the each sprint. Development team are in general structured and empowered by organization to organize and manage their own work. This results more synergy, building the synergy and 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 the development team optimization for their efficiency and effectiveness of the work. Right. So in the Scrum team, there is no titles for development team members here, like we have tech lead or project lead, right? Or a junior member or a senior member. So there is no title as such. This is to bring more parity and have a clear, transparent discussion between the teams. Right. This is essential. Let's look at, um, although it quite emphasizes on the development team or the Scrum team uh, to be a co-located in a co-located environment. However, in our present uh, situation, right, across the world, uh, this looks a distant dream at this time. So, but still, having the feeling of uh, connected plays a very vital role. So, staying connected with all the team members throughout the day will play a key role over here. Let's look at the Scrum Master's role. Right? So, Scrum Master is majorly responsible for promoting and supporting, uh, right, uh, the product owner, the development team, right, right, by helping them understand one, the Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values of Scrum. Right? So here the role of a Scrum Master is of a servant leader. Right? So servant leader role kind of is played by the Scrum Master here, and it helps those outside the Scrum team understand which of their interaction with the Scrum team are helpful and which one of their interaction aren't. Right? So it's more of a plays a facilitator's role over here, right? But at the same time knows what could help team optimize their efficiency and what could distract the team, right? So helping the team in avoiding those distractions is what one of the um, role of the Scrum Master. Then ensuring that the team follows or team indulges into the Scrum ceremonies, Scrum events, like daily scrum, in other words, daily stand up. And in the daily stand up, Scrum Master ensures that the right question is asked. So the whole idea, let's for instance say one of the event being daily Scrum, right? So we asked three important questions over there, which we answer, right, in within our team. What we did yesterday that helped the team achieve the sprint goal or the team goals. What am I going to do today that will help achieve the team goal, right? Or what are the bottlenecks, impediments, or challenges that that may pose a threat to the team goal. So it's all so ensuring that it is happening and it is done in a right way, right? That's the role of the Scrum Masters. Scrum Masters also helps product owner uh, managing, help finding the right technique for doing effective product backlog management. Right? If the product owner is, let's say, not very experienced product owner, right? But if it is somebody who is a very experienced product owner who has been doing this, playing this role for quite some time, they may be very well versed with how to do, what is the best technique that you. For somebody who is fitting in new to the role, right, to do this product, creating those product backlogs, helping them prioritize those backlogs, is also part of a Scrum Master's role. Right? Scrum Master also helps uh, the product owner to know how to arrange the product backlog to maximize the value. Right? Helps understand the team in practicing agility, right? And of course facilitates all the Scrum events. Okay, as either as needed or as requested. Right? So Scrum Master is somebody who while uh, helps the team manages all these things, uh, have a regular connect with the team, yet stays uh, as a disconnected member of the team, somebody who sees from outside to identify any possible bottleneck reoccurring. Because once you're attached to a project, sometimes it's some of the issues that somebody may see who is detached from your project that one may not be able to see. Right? So staying detached from the project helps Scrum Master in helping the team in staying agility and practicing agility, following Scrum events, facilitating Scrum events as and when required. They also see not just limited to Scrum events, but then there could be a conflict between a team and the team itself, right? So it sees those conflicts, helps the team address those conflicts and resolve those conflicts. So Scrum team does not resolve those conflicts. However, they guide and facilitate the team the team to resolve those conflicts. Scrum team works in several serves. So when we talked about Scrum Master plays a servant leadership role, right? So he is not somebody to do, okay, you do X, Y, Z way, or you do this way, but rather they serve to the development team by coaching the development team in how to be, how to self-organize ourselves, right? What could be done to self-organize, but the way they want to, it remains entirely with the team. Right? They help create high-value products, right? Help removing impediments to the development team's progress, right? Leading and coaching not just the team but the organization and its Scrum adoption, right? Planning Scrum implementation within the organization, right? Somewhere where there hasn't been implemented or they're not following it. However, if there is a matured organization who has been working with the Scrum for a this may not be required very well. Right? Theme. Now we are going to next look at on Scrum events. Watch out my next video for that. Thank you.